India and a very happy Independence Day to all my viewers. So today we are going to be talking about Independence Day. So firstly, let's know why we celebrate Independence Day with so much of pride and happiness. Basically, Independence Day is the indication of our freedom fight, that we fought against Britisher being won and freed our motherland, India, from the Britishers. I would like to salute all our freedom fighters, all unsung heroes, and all the common people who stood behind them as their backbone and freed our motherland. But today's video is about a question that I have in my mind, that are we free or are we misguided? So मेरे पास इसका आंसर है. इंडिपेंडेंस जब हमें मिला भी नहीं था तब भी ये कास्ट, क्रीड, रिलीजन सारे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होते थे. बट हमें इंडिपेंडेंस तब जाके मिला जब हम एकजुट होके वी बिकेम वन एंड फॉट अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिशर. तब जाके हमें इंडिपेंडेंस मिला. तो इस बात भी हमें ये बात समझ क्यों नहीं आ रही कि we are being strategically divided into caste, religion and creed so that people can take benefits out of it. I respect all religion because मेरे को लगता है religion मतलब एक belief है, एक विश्वास है, और यही विश्वास का strategically और politically फ़ायदा उठाते हैं लोग, so that उनका जो भी benefits है, उनका जो भी strategy है वो काम कर जाए और हम अपने religion के लिए लड़ते रहे. Our government says that we should be considered equal, but हर एक government form में या फिर हर एक form में आपको ये section ज़रूर मिलेगा कि what is your caste, what is your religion, where you belong to. Then how come they are supporting that there should be equality and no discrimination? Let's talk about our Indian Constitution and mainly about Article 15 and 16. So Article 15 of Indian Constitution prohibits the discrimination of any Indian on the basis of religion, caste, sex or place of birth. But where is this implemented? Talking about Article 16. Article 16 says that there shall be equal opportunity in employment and education and equal opportunity in offices. But is it true? No, it's not. We all know that there are reservations and we are discriminated into general caste, OBC, SC, ST and all these caste systems. These reservations are meant for upliftment and development of the people. अगर सच्ची ऐसा है then we should stop this, because I don't feel कि ये किसी भी इंसान को support करता है या फिर किसी भी religion को support करता है. If we really want to bring development or upliftment, we should start considering individuals as individual, not as a caste or as a religion. So individually if we consider people, तो ये जो reservations है वो economic basis पे होना चाहिए, merit basis पे होना चाहिए, so that opportunities जो इंसान को मिलना चाहिए, जो उस चीज़ का काबिल है उस तक पहुँचेगा. Because of these reservations and because of all these things that is going around us, the real time problem is not taken into consideration. और हमें freedom of speech मिला है. So in Article 19(1)(a) of Indian Constitution says that all citizens have the freedom of speech and expression. But again मेरे को लगता है इस चीज़ को भी value नहीं मिलता. Like if we take a real-time issue, then millions of people are probing for CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput. But उनका जो voice है, उनका जो freedom है, उनका जो expression है, उसको considerate नहीं किया जा रहा है. Because 2 months have been passed and still the case is being dangling between suicide and murder. India needs change, and I would like to say that be the voice or be the change that you want to or wish to see. So ये मेरा point of view था about Independence Day and about the change that I would like to see. And मैंने same चीज़ social media पे post किया था that what is your point of view or what is your message for us Independence Day, and I got some good amount of reply from the people and reaction from the people. So I would read it out. शानदार मंदार says that इंडिपेंडेंस में स्कूल में समोसे मिलते थे, मजा आता था. That's true. स्कूल के इंडिपेंडेंस डे were the best. I am Jami 19 wants to say that single identity होना चाहिए, that is we should not be discriminated, and that means I got one support for my point of view. Then Nerd AF wants to say that still waiting for the independence. And the best reply that I got is from Ria George, and she says that see, like the fact that even today we are fighting for have a free media and not a biased, purchased or money fed one. There are so many houses where men and women are treated differently in the name of safety. When it comes to freedom and independence, homophobia is one more way to put that the country is still not free for so many closet people to come out. Even though the law has changed, the norms of the Indian society won't let it be. To be honest, there is not much that the government could do. It has to be done on an individual level first to feel free, and then to help others, loved ones, and understand the meaning of being free. Bondages are still seen in India, and only the thing that it's been kept mum by the society. Ria George, amazing. I felt great. I felt your review as the best one that I got so far. Point of view of Sumit Singh. So he has to say that I am thankful to all the leaders and freedom fighters who fought for our independence, and also I am proud that today governing body of India is promoting Hinduism, which should have been done very earlier, because today many other religion people are raising point on promotion of Hinduism. Therefore I believe every religion should be given independence too. We can live equally and independently. Nice. I have this point of view of my teacher, that is Akshata ma'am. May we leave all the prejudice set by Britishers like Hindu, Muslim behind and pledge to live in peace. Amazing. I got Shalaka auntie's message that यही की स्वतंत्रता किसमें मिली है ये नहीं समझ आता. हम लोग एक सिस्टम का पार्ट है जहाँ पे जो पावरफुल है उसके हिसाब से चलना पड़ता है, और अगर सत्य के राह पर चलना है तो सालों साल लड़ना पड़ता है. ये कहाँ का स्वतंत्रता है? इट्स अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क. इट्स ट्रूली अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क. एंड हैशटैग जस्टिस फॉर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत. देन आई गॉट ट्रिकी आंटीज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, विच आई वुड से दैट कॉमन लोगों के साथ मतलब बहुत सारे कॉमन लोगों का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रहेगा ये, दैट सबसे पहले सभी बच्चों को जॉब मिलना चाहिए, महंगाई कम होनी चाहिए. एंड अ फनी वन इज आधार कार्ड पे अपनी अच्छी वाली पिक डालने की आज़ादी मिलनी चाहिए. कोरोना का वैक्सीन जल्दी निकलना चाहिए. रोड अच्छे होने चाहिए. यंग पॉलिटिशियंस को चांस देना चाहिए. सुशांत को जस्टिस मिलना चाहिए. So I got this request from Komal Patil for a dance video. I'll definitely try to film a dance video and upload it very soon. And that's it. So I would like to say that I liked all the point of views that I received, and I respect all of their point of views. And happy Independence Day. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please use your voice correctly and at correct time. Thank you.